To transfer USDT from India in 2025, you will need to follow a series of steps to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. First, you need to have a digital wallet that supports USDT, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. If you don't have one, download and install it on your device and set it up by following the in-app instructions. Next, you need to purchase USDT from a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that operates in India, such as WazirX or CoinDCX. To do this, create an account on the exchange, complete the Know Your Customer process, and deposit Indian rupees into your account. Then, use the deposited amount to buy USDT. After purchasing USDT, you need to transfer it to your digital wallet. To do this, go to the exchange, select the USDT balance, and click on Withdraw. Enter the address of your digital wallet and the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that you need to pay attention to the transaction fees and the minimum withdrawal limit set by the exchange. Also, make sure to use the correct network, such as ERC20 or TRC20, to avoid any transaction failures. Once the USDT is transferred to your digital wallet, you can use it for various purposes, such as trading, investing, or making payments. To transfer USDT to another person or exchange, you need to obtain the recipient's USDT address and use your digital wallet to initiate the transaction. In addition to the steps mentioned above, it is crucial to follow best practices to ensure the security of your USDT. This includes enabling two-factor authentication, using a strong password, and keeping your digital wallet and exchange account up to date. In conclusion, transferring USDT from India in 2025 requires a digital wallet, a reputable cryptocurrency exchange, and attention to transaction fees and network selection. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to best practices, you can securely and efficiently transfer USDT and use it for various purposes.